Tired of long calls and confusing paperwork just to check your WIC balance? Well, welcome to this explainer. I am absolutely thrilled you're here today because we're going to show you how to effortlessly manage your Utah WIC benefits right from your phone. If you've ever felt completely overwhelmed trying to keep track of exactly what you can buy or how much of your benefit is actually left for the month, you are definitely in the right place.
You know that sudden wave of anxiety at the grocery store checkout line? You're watching the item scan thinking, wait, did my partner already use the milk benefit? Do we actually have enough left for this cereal? It is incredibly stressful to juggle paper receipts or sit on hold just to check your balance. But today, we're going to learn how to track everything in just a few minutes. We're going to completely eliminate that checkout line anxiety for good.
Okay, here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll meet your WIC card, then set up the WIC Shopper app. Next, we'll check your balance, go over scanning tips, look at Edge security, and finally, do some troubleshooting.
Section 1. Meet your Utah WIC card.
All right, before you even unlock your phone to download anything, let's make sure you've got what you need. Grab your physical Utah WIC card. You're going to specifically need that 16-digit number printed right on the front. You'll also need a smartphone, so either an iPhone running iOS 14.0 or later, or an Android device. And, crucially, you need a steady internet connection, whether that's Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Having all three of these ready to go is going to make the setup process smooth and totally beginner-friendly.
Now this slide right here brilliantly clears up a super common point of confusion. In Utah, your WIC benefits are entirely separate from SNAP or TANF benefits. SNAP uses the Horizon card, which runs on a totally different system called Connect EBT. Today, we're focusing exclusively on your Utah WIC card. That's for WIC supplemental foods, and it's managed via the WIC Shopper and EBT Edge platforms. Keep those two separate in your mind.
Moving right along to Section 2. Setting up WIC Shopper.
Take a look at the WIC Shopper app interface. It is super clean, right? It visually streamlines all your grocery needs into these simple, easy-to-tap icons. You really don't need to be a tech wizard to navigate this. Right there on the home screen, you've got bold buttons for scanning barcodes, viewing allowable foods, and of course, checking your My Benefits balance.
So, let's actually get this thing installed. Step 1, just open up the App Store or Google Play on your phone and search for WIC Shopper, all one word. Once it's downloaded and you open it up, step 2 is critical. It's going to ask for your provider. Scroll down and make sure you select Utah. For step 3, tap that My Benefits icon on the main screen and then tap Manage Cards. Finally, step 4, select Add a Card and carefully type in that 16-digit number from the front of your WIC card. And just like that, following those 4 simple steps, you've unlocked real-time access to your family's vital nutrition benefits.
Section 3. Checking your balance.
You actually have a few options for checking your balance, and they all rely on this incredibly efficient central database. Whether you're using the WIC Shopper app we just set up, the more detailed EBT Edge portal, or even the automated phone helpline, your balance syncs instantly. As you can see here, each channel requires slightly different login info, but the syncing performance? Exactly the same across the board. The very moment your purchase is complete at the grocery store, the database knows.
I literally cannot emphasize this enough. This quote directly from the Utah WIC resources says, "The food benefits on your account will update immediately on the WIC Shopper app after you buy them." I mean, that is a total game changer. You'll never be left wondering if an earlier shopping trip drained your account. You can literally refresh the app as you're walking out the store doors and see your exact updated balance right there.
All right, Section 4. Scanning foods and tips.
So when you're in the aisle and you pick up a product, you can use the app to scan its barcode. You're going to get one of 3 messages, and it's super important to know what they mean. If it says allowed, awesome, it's a WIC-approved item. But, and here is a crucial pro tip, always check your specific benefit balance. For example, whole milk might scan as allowed generally, but if your family's prescription doesn't specifically include whole milk for a 1-year-old, you still won't be able to buy it. Make sense? Now, if it says not a WIC item, well, it's not approved. But if you strongly believe it should be, there's actually a button in the app called I couldn't buy this, where you can report it directly to the state. And finally, if it says unable to identify, don't panic. This usually just means you've hit that infamous grocery store dead zone, where cell service just vanishes. Try connecting to the store's Wi-Fi or taking a few steps closer to the front doors to get a signal.
Next up, Section 5, Security and Edge Account. As you can clearly see on this registration form, EBT Edge takes your privacy and security very seriously. This portal, which you access via the EBT Edge app or a web browser, requires a unique user ID and a complex password. We're talking 8 to 16 characters.
As you go through the setup, it'll even make you set up 3 specific challenge questions to safeguard your personal profile. This ensures that absolutely no one but you has control of your family's account.
By using EBT Edge alongside WIC Shopper, you're adding a massive layer of protection. Let's say you drop your card in the parking lot. You don't have to wait until Monday morning to call the office. You can use EBT Edge to instantly freeze that misplaced card remotely. You can also use it to securely change your PIN on the fly or to look back through multiple months of transaction history if you ever need to audit exactly where your benefits were spent. It just puts total control right in the palm of your hand.
Finally, Section 6, Troubleshooting and Help.
Okay, let's talk about the dreaded zero balance panic. You log into the WIC Shopper app, register your card, and nothing. Zilch. First of all, take a deep breath. If you see a zero balance, it rarely means a technical glitch. It almost always means you simply need to touch base with your local clinic. See, WIC benefits don't just generate infinitely on their own. They require periodic certifications or completing online nutrition education modules. Just call or text your local clinic, get that requirement sorted out, and those benefits will populate right back onto your app.
But what if you're at the store and the cashier's equipment is down, or your card is legitimately malfunctioning? For those broader system outages or serious card issues that your apps just can't fix, Utah WIC provides a dedicated customer service phone line at 1-855-784-5584, as well as an email address, wic@utah.gov. Honestly, take a second and save that phone number in your contacts right now. It's also printed on the back of your card, just in case.
And just a quick heads up, because we all know how software and technology are, mobile apps update, user interfaces change over time. While the core steps we've covered today are rock solid, be sure to periodically check the official state resources at wic.utah.gov for the absolute most current guidelines, clinic contact numbers, and any policy updates.
Think about it, walking into the grocery store, knowing exactly what you can buy, and walking out without ever holding up a line. Technology has finally caught up to your needs. Now that you have the power to seamlessly manage your family's nutrition right from your pocket, how much time and stress are you going to save on your next grocery run? Thank you so much for joining me today, and keep exploring.